Scrambling for cash at the exact moment you need to split the bill? Frustrated by that awkward "I'll get you next time" exchange? Been there, done that. Thankfully, there's a solution that's as convenient as it is social: Venmo. But what exactly is Venmo used for? Is it just another digital wallet gathering dust in your app graveyard? Not quite. Venmo steps in where traditional money transfers feel clunky and impersonal. It's your wingman for everyday financial transactions with a twist of social interaction. Let's dive into the world of Venmo and explore how it can streamline your life, one split payment at a time. Splitting the bill like a boss. Remember those restaurant outings that turn into accountant nightmares when the bill arrives? Venmo makes splitting the cost a breeze. Imagine this: a delicious meal enjoyed with friends, laughter echoing around the table. The check comes, and instead of fumbling with cash or waiting for change, you whip out your phone. With a few taps in the Venmo app, you can request specific amounts from each friend, adding a playful note like "thanks for the good vibes," and splitting the bill. Venmo instantly transfers the money, leaving everyone happy and hangry-free. Beyond restaurants, your everyday money buddy. Venmo's magic extends far beyond restaurants. Think about it: rent payments to your roommate, chipping in for a group gift, paying back a friend for concert tickets. All these scenarios become effortless with Venmo. The app even allows you to add a photo or emoji to your payment, turning a mundane transaction into a mini celebration. The social side of money. Venmo isn't just about sending and receiving money, it's about adding a layer of fun to the process. The app lets you see your friends' recent transactions, adding a lighthearted social element to your finances. Maybe you'll see your coworker treating themselves to a fancy coffee and decide to send them a virtual enjoy, with a few bucks thrown in. Keeping it secure. Of course, security is paramount when dealing with your hard-earned cash. Venmo utilizes two-factor authentication and encryption to keep your transactions safe. You can also choose who sees your activity feed, ensuring your financial privacy. The wrap-up. Venmo is a game-changer for everyday financial interactions. It simplifies splitting bills, facilitates quick payments between friends, and injects a touch of social fun into the process. So, next time you need to settle up with a friend, ditch the awkward cash exchange and embrace the convenience of Venmo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.